In today's video, I will walk you through how to download Payoneer transaction history. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Payoneer. Once you are on the website, click Sign In. Enter the email address associated with your account and your password, then continue. If additional verification is required, complete the verification steps shown on the screen. After signing in, you will arrive at your account dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the top navigation menu and open Manage. If you are using a smaller screen and do not immediately see the menu options, open the menu first and then select Manage. Inside the Manage section, choose Reports and Statements. This area contains the available reporting options for your account. Next, select Monthly Statement. This will open the Statement selection page where you can choose the details for the report you want to download. Start by selecting the currency balance you want to view. If your account contains multiple currency balances, choose the one that matches the statement you need. After selecting the currency, choose the month and year for the statement. Select the reporting period you want to download from the available options. Once the currency, month, and year have been selected, choose the file format for your statement. You will typically see two available formats. Select PDF if you want the statement in a document format. Select CSV if you want the statement in a spreadsheet-compatible format. After choosing the file format, click Download. The statement file will then begin downloading and will be saved to your device. If the download does not start immediately, check whether your browser is blocking downloads and then continue with the download process. Once the file has finished downloading, you can locate it in your downloaded files and review the statement. That's all you need to do to download your Payoneer transaction history. The process only takes a few moments and can be completed directly from the Reports and Statements section of your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.